Well, hi, everybody, and good Friday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. We have a number of scattered showers that we've seen during the overnight hours. They continue this morning. Now, as we progress through the day, the chances of rain will lessen, first out west, and then into central Nebraska, our chances of rain will wrap up this afternoon. In eastern Nebraska, you may still see a few scattered showers this afternoon. The clouds are going to stay tough today, remaining mostly cloudy. We'll start to get some clearing later this afternoon in central Nebraska, and then once you get west of Highway 281, a lot of sunshine expected for much of the day. Northwesterly winds, a little breezy later on today. Continued clearing tonight, so a quiet night is ahead of us, and it won't be terribly cold out there because of a warm front coming through. That'll help elevate those temperatures, or at least keep those temperatures pretty consistent overnight. So a lot of us dropping back into the upper 30s for overnight lows, maybe a few mid-30s out there. As we push into tomorrow, plenty of sunshine to start, a southwesterly breeze helping to warm temperatures up well into the 50s, and some may even make it above 60 degrees. That comes to an end, though, as that cold front makes its way through towards the end of the afternoon. That frontal boundary bring a brisk northerly wind behind it, increasing clouds. We'll also see a little light rain move into the area Saturday evening. We might see a few light rain showers out there, but notice out west, a little snow starts to fall. You can see some snow overnight in western Nebraska, and that snow will start to push eastward towards us in central Nebraska and north central Kansas late Saturday night into early on Sunday morning. See that rain snow line transitioning. So as we get into Sunday morning, brisk northerly winds. We're talking about winds gusting up near 30 miles per hour, maybe a little higher in spots, and snow falling, and it could be falling at a pretty good clip south and southeast of the Tri-Cities. Most forecast models are very consistent with the best chances of snow in far southern parts of southeastern Nebraska into northern Kansas. Tri-Cities area, we may get a quick little hit of snow, but I'm not expecting a lot of snowfall with this system, as it will slowly push to the southeast during the day. By the afternoon hours, we're still seeing some lingering snow in the far southeast, but as we get towards 7 o'clock there in the evening, I think the snow is wrapping up. Clouds are starting to clear out of here. Winds start to lighten up, and as we see that clearing and the dying down of the winds, temperatures are going to plummet overnight Sunday night into Monday morning, giving us the coldest air of the season so far. We're talking about lows, low to mid 20s, some places out west, maybe upper teens, could be record-breaking in some cases. So how much snowfall are we talking? Again, the first snows are going to fall Saturday night out west. Here's the Saturday night snowfall. Could be a couple of inches, mostly in the Panhandle. Very light amounts around Imperial, North Platte, and McCook. But then as we get into Sunday during the day, we may start to see that accumulating snowfall, favoring our north central Kansas counties. I think a 1 to 3 inch range, pretty common. Some models are hinting at a little bit more, but I think some of that's initially going to melt, so I don't think we'll get much more than 3 inches. But then as you move towards southeast Nebraska, there might be some accumulation around an inch or two, maybe 3. That might be pushing it, but maybe 3. Tri-Cities area, though, at this point, I just don't see a lot of accumulation. Maybe up to an inch around Hastings, but that might even be pushing it. So more of a dusting of snow than anything. And as you get farther north, your amounts are going to get pretty light. Very little, if any, snow accumulation expected here. And again, keep in mind this forecast can still change a little bit. We might see a little shift northward or southward, but as of right now, my thinking is the majority of that snow. And again, it looks like my color contours have updated to go along with what the numbers are now showing here. So that gives you a little more of an accurate portrayal of the snow here. So again, not a lot of snow, but as you get to the south and southeast of the Tri-Cities, a 1 to 3 inch range, we may see a winter weather advisory issued for a few of our southern and southeastern counties for Sunday or late Saturday night into the day on Sunday. All right, well, let's look at today's forecast. Upper 40s to lower 50s up north, rain in the morning, then decreasing clouds later in the day. Out west, very early showers will quickly give way to sunshine. You'll see all kinds of sun this afternoon, helping to warm temperatures up into the mid-50s. A little breezy this afternoon out west. Lower to mid-50s in the south. It'll take till the end of the day before we warm things up, though, as we'll have rain in the morning, then decreasing clouds later today. Clouds going to hold pretty tough out east. Mainly cloudy skies, maybe some breaks later in the day. So upper 40s to near 50 degrees, and again, a few scattered showers from time to time throughout the day today. Over the next couple of days, again, tomorrow looking pretty good. We're going to push close to 60 degrees, but then the winds crank up behind that cold front Saturday night. A little light rain is possible Saturday evening, and then rain starting to transition over to snow after midnight Saturday night into early on Sunday. May last through the morning hours on Sunday, a little longer Sunday afternoon off to our southeast. Again, light accumulation around the Tri-Cities, a little higher amounts off to the southeast, and it will be a chilly, blustery day on Sunday. Winds die down, skies clear up for Sunday night. We're down to 24 degrees for a low Monday morning, and Monday will be a chilly day. Some of the coldest temperatures could be down where we get that snow on the ground. So northern Kansas, far southern Nebraska may see temperatures stuck in the 30s for highs on Monday. And then after that, we're going to start to warm it up. Still cold night Monday night, upper 20s for lows, getting into the upper 50s though Tuesday, lower 60s on Wednesday, Thursday mid 60s, all kinds of sunshine next week, which I think is going to be very welcome. So we get some nice weather to return, those temperatures finally close to our average high by next Thursday. One last thing I'll show you here before I wrap things up, the forecast for tomorrow's game in Evanston, Illinois. The Huskers traveling east to take on the Northwestern Wildcats. A little chilly in the morning, 38 degrees at 8 o'clock. Kickoff is at 11 a.m. on ABC. 46 degrees at kickoff, 51 at the end of the game around 2:30. And the winds might be the only issue with that game, as they could be blowing a little bit, maybe affecting the passing game just a bit during the latter portions of the game, especially here. So, all right, well, there you go. There's your forecast for today. One thing I'll mention, if you're watching the game on ABC, hey, tune into the ABC affiliate Lincoln. That just helps our ratings a little bit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding out there. But again, enjoy the game. If you missed my pick this morning on our show, I was back and forth on this one. I did pick the Huskers 28-24 over Northwestern. I know Northwestern got a big win last week, but maybe I think they might have a little bit of a downturn after last week's big win. They haven't won at home yet. Nebraska always plays pretty well out there at Ryan Field, just outside of Chicago, Illinois. All right, I'm going to wrap it up there, and hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Again, hopefully you're not shoveling too much snow early or during the day on Sunday. Again, like I said, those highest totals likely going to be off to the southeast. Stay tuned to Facebook and Twitter and things like that over the weekend, as we'll get word on if any winter weather advisories might be issued for parts of the area sometime over the weekend. All right, hope you all enjoy it. Take care. God bless. I'll see you all again on Monday morning.